The environmental health field protects the air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, whether at home, work, or play. It's urgently needed that people's health be protected, as well as protecting those areas.
Here, let's put some items here in the wastewater category.
The courses I teach are very water related. We get a lot of hands-on experience, both lab work, analyzing things, collecting samples, giving case studies, and coming up with a plan of actions, how to take what corrective measures as well as preventative measures.
In this program, we do both biology and chemistry. It's very comprehensive. There's a lot of different things that we work with. NTC has really good instruments that we actually have to take out and test quite a bit to get us prepared. They're always showing us what's new, what's hot, what's going to be the next upcoming thing.
That's what we pride ourselves on, the hands-on kinds of things. For example, we go on numerous field trips.
We can actually see the processes and that going on in industry and what they do to help to treat the water.
Our instructors take us all over the place. It's just interesting to see how each person takes care of water.
It's a dual kind of benefit. Students get the benefit of doing this thing, and secondly, and just as important, we'd like to be involved with giving back to the community.
A lot of students come to us because they do have an understanding and a care for the environment, and they want to do something to give back or do something to protect for our environment for the future generations.
It's always something that's interested me because it's something you can get a job in the field and really feel like you're doing a benefit to people around you. You sleep easy at night if you're doing good work.
The environmental ethic is out there. Getting into this field is something that is extremely meaningful. People can get very passionate about something like this.
I leave school every day kind of feeling really good. I got a job with the city of Grafton, and I don't think I could have done it without my teacher, Kathy Bates.
In the environmental field, there's so many different opportunities, there's so many different job descriptions or titles.
The career outlook is extremely favorable. Employers have sought us out to see what can be done to increase the number of students entering this field and available for employment.
There's plenty of things you can do. Me personally, I'm not sure what I want to do just yet, but at least I have a lot of options after I'm done with this program.